Meaning of hooliganism.
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 Hooliganism. Hooliganism refers to a form of disorderly and violent behavior that is typically associated with youth or gangs. It is characterized by acts of vandalism, aggression towards others, and disregard for rules or authority. Hooliganism often arises in the context of sports events or other mass gatherings where emotions run high. The consequences of hooliganism can be severe, including property damage, physical harm to individuals, and negative impacts on community cohesion. Effective deterrence measures may include increased police presence, stricter enforcement of laws, and education programs aimed at promoting respectful behavior.